Today I'm gonna teach you my top 6 dirt jump tricks that's easy to do. If you just started to ride dirt jumps, these are some cool tricks that's easy to start with. Let's go! Before you can start to learn any tricks, you need to feel really comfortable in the air. Anyway, we're gonna start with a one-hander, which is when you let go of one hand in the air. And the way to do it is to just jump straight and start to let go a tiny bit of your hand. And you can just feel it out. If you feel that the bike is going away, you don't have the right balance in the air, but you just jump and try to let it go. Once you feel comfortable of letting go of the hand, you can start to play around with it. There's actually some really fun variations you can do, like tire grab, seat grab. That's it for the one-hander. Let's go to the next trick, which is a one-footer. Okay, so the next trick is a one-footer, which is when you let go of one foot from the bike. And the important thing to think of here is that you should let go of the brake, because otherwise your cranks are staying, like you can't keep the balance because your cranks are at the same place. And also you should let go of the front foot, or that's way easier. So to begin with, you should just jump, have the same kind of angle as the one-hander, and just let go of the front foot. Let's try it. You can do it like small at first and then do it bigger and bigger. And once you feel comfortable, it's really easy. Also, for one-foot combinations, you can do the one-foot can-can, which is when you lift your front foot over the frame to the other side. Also, you can do the knack-knack, which is to put your foot behind the bike. So I'm gonna demonstrate those for you, so you have something to work on once you can handle the one-footer. Okay, that's it. Let's move on to the next trick. Okay, so the next trick is the X-up, which is when you turn your bar halfway around. And for that trick you need to be stable in the air and also lean a bit back so your bar doesn't hit your body. And once you have this position, you need to really pinch the bike to have it stable. And then just have the motion with your arms ready to turn. Let's try it. That's it for the X-up. You can do it both ways, it doesn't really matter. And yeah, whatever feels the most comfortable for you. Actually, we could combine the two combos we have learned now. So the X-up and the one-footer. So let's do an X-up one-footer, and it's, if you know the basics of them, and like if you can do the X-up and you can do the one-footer, it's actually really easy to combine. Just think of it as doing a one-footer and the X-up in the same motion.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's it for the X-up. Let's move on to the no-hander. And there's two ways you can do them. Either is like Sui no-hander, when you don't pinch the bike, and the other is tuck no-hander, when you tuck over the bar and pinch the bike and let go. And with the Sui no-hander, it's pretty similar to the X-up. You need to have the right kind of balance of the bike and pinch the same way as when you do the X-up. And once you have the bike stable in the air, you could just start to let go. Start small and just feel it out. If the bike starts to move away, then you're not having the proper balance and you don't pinch the bike properly. So just go up and try to pinch it and find the balance again. Once you feel comfortable, you can start to let go more and more and work your way up from that. So let's do a Sui no-hander. It's kind of funny that they're called suicide no-handers. I don't really know why, but like Maybe because you just let go. Okay, let's go for the tuck no-hander now. So you lean over your bars, try to pinch the frame with your legs, and then when you feel that you have the bike, then you can let go of the hands. And the same thing here. If you are feeling that you don't have the bike in the right position, the bike will start to go away, and then you need to pinch or like have the balance in another position. So you start small, and if you're feeling comfortable, just let go. And one thing here that everyone does that learns this at first is that they do it too early. You can actually jump when you're stable in the air. You can pull up the bar and find the position and then do the tuck no-hander. So let's do that one. Yeah, that's how we do a tuck no-hander. Let's move on. And the next trick is the no-footer. So this time we let go both of the feet, and in the beginning instead of like tucking up your bike, this time you just need to hold the bike with your hands and let go of the feet. Also, so you get the motion and know where the pedals are, you could just ride on the flat. I'm gonna demonstrate like this. Once you have that motion good, then it's time for you to do it on the jump. Let's go. Yeah, that's how we do a no-footer. And a combination for that is with the seat grab. We did at first. You could just do no-footer and grab the seat, then you do a no-footer seat grab. That's a scary one!
It looks gnarly though.
Yeah, we only have one trick left. And this one I feel like I'm still working on, and it's the tabletop. So it's when you lean your bike until it becomes a table, pretty much. And my best tip for that one is to take your hand, turn it under the bar, and then push the bike up, because then you get more power to lean the bike. And also the front foot should come off the pedal and put it on the crank, because then you can really push the bike up. So let's do one. As I said, that one is a process that's taking forever. I'm still working on them every session, I feel like. Now when we learned all these tricks, I'm gonna show you some combinations of them and have some fun with them on the mulch jump here. Let's do it. Those are some really fun combos you can do. Just play around with it, like do what you feel like, and yeah, have some fun learning your tricks. That's it for today. Remember, the easier the basics are for you, the easier the tricks will become. So let me know if you learned any of these, and if you need any help, just comment down below. Yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. See you soon.